Physics Blender. I love 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 Physics Blender. Subscribe for more videos.
Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Blender e-learning platform. Today we are checking your answers about thin converging lens. You have homework, paper 1 for core and extended. Okay, let's check question 1, and it is a challenging question. Okay, you have here a screen and you have a thin converging lens, and the screen is placed at a distance which is double focal length, and you have a cylindrical light beam. What's the difference between light ray and light beam? Light beam means group of light rays, okay. So this cylindrical light beam, it has a diameter d, and the question is asking you about what will be the size of the spot of light seen on the screen, the size of the spot. I prefer drawing is very important here, and you should mark the optical center and the focus so you can get the refracted rays, how they will be refracted and what will be the size of the spot. Okay, so you can draw the principal axis here, and you have here the optical center, and approximately 2, 4, 5, 6, the focus here. It's not accurate, guys, but we are trying to. Okay, the rays will continue and refracted at the midline inside the lens, and it will refract through the focus since they are parallel to the principal axis, so they will refract through the focus. Okay, so here we have the refracted rays, and it's clear that the distance d is somehow equal to the distance here, the size of the spot. They have the same distance. Okay, so the answer for this question is C. Okay, is it clear? So again, when you have parallel rays to the principal axis, they refract to through the focus, and in this case you have cylindrical light beam group of rays, and they have a diameter d, and is asking you about the size of the spot which is formed here. Also it will be d as shown in our diagram. Okay, question number 2 is asking you about a thin converging lens, and you have here the lens is forming a real image. So you have image, you are sure that you will obtain an image of a small object. Which diagram here is correct? Okay, I have to remind you that if you have here, in case of choice A, rays are refracted parallel to the principal axis, so no image will be formed. So in this case, A will be excluded. And here we have diverging, not converging in B. And C, the rays will be refracted, so you will get maybe extension, so it's not the case also. So D is the correct answer. You have here rays will be refracted. Where the refracted rays intersect, you can get the image of the object. Okay. Let's move to question 3. Question 3, back to our 3 standard rays. Which rays here the student drawn correctly? We discussed 3 standard rays in details. You can check our classwork. Which rays here the student drawn correctly? The first ray is parallel to the principal axis. Let's check ray X. Parallel to the principal axis here, okay, and it refracts through the focus. Focus is given, okay, so it's correct. The second ray, ray Z, is passing through the optical center undeviated, so also it's correct. But ray Y, it's passing through F here. It should refract parallel to the principal axis, which here is drawn incorrect. So the correct rays are X and Z. Okay, X and Z. Let's move to question 4. Question 4 is asking you which diagram showing how an image of an object is formed on a screen by converging lens. Okay. The first one here, the ray which is parallel to the principal axis refract not through F, because you have here double focal length, so it's incorrect. Here also the same mistake, it refracts through, it should be through F, but here you have double F, so you have here also 2F, so it's not the focus, so it's incorrect. Okay. And here the focus is correct, but the other ray we have no idea about if it's smaller than the focus. It's not the focus at the other side, so it's not correct. So the correct answer is C. Check the 2 rays, one passing through the optical center, so it will continue undeviated, and the first one parallel to the principal axis will refract through the focus, so the answer is correct. So the answer of question 4 is C. Okay. Question number 5. In the diagram you have the distance OP, which is the focal length, and through which point will the ray shown after refraction, how this ray will behave after refraction. Okay, since here you have the object at the focus, the ray will be refracted parallel to the principal axis. So let's draw here the refracted ray parallel to the principal axis. So it will be in this direction. So the answer is A. Okay, this is the focus. Since focal length is indicated, and you can find that the object is at the focus, and if you revise the cases, when the object is at the focus, the image will not be obtained because the rays will be parallel to the principal axis and will never intersect. Is it clear?
Subscribe for more videos. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor.